Okay, guys, and good morning. We are about to talk about today's top pre-market gainers as these are exploding. Only get through about the top 4 or 5, and we are catching these in the Banking with Billy Discord. We are going to talk about the news and fundamentals. We'll talk about the charts and technicals, and we'll find the next incoming trend for these stocks. For those of you who are new here, understand this, okay? I make a lot of videos. I'm updating the 52-week. I gotta go back down to the beginning. I'm updating the 52-week lows. I'm updating the top trending things. I'm updating the cryptocurrencies. I'm updating our main holdings. I'm updating what the top gainers are and the most actives. I update everything all the way from 3 a.m. all the way until about 7 p.m. It's straight videos. If you ever need a request or anything, just let me know and it'll get put out on one of our channels. With that being said, let's just get right into it now. With CTNT, coming in for a big bull run from $1.80 up to the highs of $9.30. It gets very volatile and comes in for these quick spikes. Easy spikes that individuals could have caught down there back from the lows of 250 all the way back to the highs of $10, while this stock is still up about 200%, 235%. It was just up almost 400% here on CTNT stock that was getting alerted out early morning. Not only for the safe, easy early see in the beginning, but also for hot breakouts to be coming up over 200% for a pre-market day trade. Getting thrown out by Coach Manson along in his section. You see when Coach Manson is throwing these things out. If you are still holding in CTNT, understand that they do have good news coming out. Talking about how Ctnt shares nearly triple on TW and EW service acquisition. This is going to add into the bullish sentiment as the market is open and is getting to the price up here towards the $6-7, where only big whales and large scales will be ready to go for it around such a price. We look closer into CTNT to show you greater in depth on everything that's going on. You do have the largest, extra largest going out all across the board. And this is updated to exact, accurate time. No bullish call distribution coming in. But we'll watch those things update later on as well as we see how the market goes. And keep in mind that the markets are looking to come in for a little bit more bearishness in the opening, but still trying to push up for more bullishness overall, especially as a lot of those people taking a puts when locking gains and go for the next round of calls. You'll be able to follow along what we go for as we put out our alerts along in our sections, letting you know when things are at the bottom and oversold or at the top and getting ready to buy. I specifically spend 24/7 in my live Banking with Billy classroom where I'm doing all my live trading options, catching cryptos, the whole shamboozle. You could have caught CTNT if you were in the Bank with Billy Discord. Seeing this one, Coach Manson was throwing out those early alerts to let you know it was time to buy, and this was at about 4 a.m. And now we see this thing is gone from all the way up to about $10. Easy. Next, you got PSGQ. PSGQ comes in for a massive bull run from $2 up to $5, holding up here very well right now. Still up over 100%. That's 115% exactly on PSGQ. Looking further into the Banking with Billy Discord, PSGQ was it? PSGH? What stock was that? P PSQH. PSQH for the recent alerts that were going out for PSQH, and you would have been able to see. I'm telling you, don't miss out on these. Everybody's about to be buying these stocks. You'll be able to see when you got these large scales reporting that $1 million orders are coming in. You got big billions buying on these stocks at 5:07 a.m. You get more alerts going out, letting you know that these things are going parabolic. Down at $4 on PSGHQ. And you could follow along with that whole trend. Again, you see them early. When you see in the Discord that you got big billionaires putting in $4 million in a one stock, it's probably at 5 a.m. It's probably the thing to be going for. And then you get that move from 5 a.m. to go from those lows all the way up to $6, and you're holding up over 115%. These stocks, when they start to get up so high, like $5, $6, $7, small retail can go for them anymore to keep in mind. Then you got SOAR. So SOAR comes in for easy spikes. This one has to get to $1 still, so it's about to be getting ready to go towards that dollar, meaning that you still have a great chance to be in on SOAR, and it's down to a big discount. If you look at a 4-hour chart, it's already starting to come in for bullish divergence that you're seeing coming yesterday and today. The volatility is just now about to truly begin. While this thing is down to this massive discount still, long-term investors are going to like this one. Last time it came in for the move, it came in for a hot spike to 76 cents. We'll go look into SOAR along in the Discord for easy to follow along alerts and lots of updates on SOAR. I was like, oh yeah, hot news. Hot news has been going out. Bankability. You guys been seeing any of the news and stuff like that? Check some of those things out. Very cool, very cool. But Soar, getting alert out at the very bottom. Of course, you already know how this goes. You already know what you're gonna see. Down from the lows of those 20 cents down there. Coach Tillwell has been putting alerts in his section saying you want to be in, and while it's at 30 cents or lower, don't miss out on this. While Sensei Prim has been in her section saying go for SOAR, don't miss out on this. It's the best move to be getting into, and we can see SOAR coming in for another 100% move. Very easy alerts to follow on with the coaches who put them out in the safe easy. Not the last minute, the last second. You one of the last ones that got to buy in there. You don't know what you're doing. But no, the safe easy early seat. Where you can trade with no fear, no pressure, no anxiety, and follow along with me and the rest of the coach. It's not just me in the Bankability Discord. I know a lot of people see it and be all this fast talking black guy. It must be some sort of scam. For one, y'all racist, and I don't know what y'all be on. But it's more than us in the Bankability Discord. There are other, again, not only me, the fast talking black guy, but you also got some slow talking white guys. You got some Asian guys. You got some Hispanic guys. You got Sensei Prim down there. You got Coach Ravi. You got people from Chile, people from UK. Coach Neasley, he European or something like that. You got people in bankability from all around the world, even the coaches from all around the world, because in bankability we see no color. In bankability we know no discrimination. So for all of the also you be seeing a video, oh man, this guy the way he talks, oh man, I don't know, he must just be some sort of black scammer out there. I've changed thousands on thousands of people's lives every single day. As we have thousands on thousands of people joining in on Bankability Discord every single day. Come join me in our live trading class. You are not alone. You do not just join in. I'm just nowhere to be seen. I'm in our live trading class all day. For example, how now you can see my thing flashing green down there? You be in the Discord of your main chat rooms, you even be able to see when I'm talking. I'm here all day, every single day. You say you want to be a full-time trader, you want to succeed, and you say you done missed out on a 400% gain here. You done missed out on a 300% gain here. You done missed out on a 200% gain here. You missed out on this 1% gain here on Soar. You talking about you done missed out on JAGX, and this thing is pushing up to the highs of $75, and I was putting out alerts for again. I'll show you all of this stuff. I can't make this stuff up. I don't just look it up and make sure it's there and place it there strategically. A whole 3 weeks ago. No, I put out alerts for the Janx, literally letting you guys know Janx are for the and Soar are for the early bird special. This went out yesterday. The early bird special. Who gets up in the morning? The early birds. If you want to get that special in the morning, then you're gonna be an early bird getting that special in the morning. You telling me you missed out on a 400, on a 300, on a 200, on a 100, and another 70% gain? And every single one of these alerts went out in the Banking with Billy Discord and I can show you all of these. CHR, I don't say this stuff for nothing. CHRS. Watch this. I don't even know call it because I ain't in there, but let's see. CHRS. Whoa, look, Coach Crawford all over it. Whoa, wow. You got members all over it. You got the hot alerts going out. CHRS news, big news, announcing agreements, $160 million. Big. It's easy money. And that's just I can do it again. I can go down this whole list. You telling me you missed out on what's this? What's that? That's probably about a total of about 500, 600. This one right here before it dipped down, probably total about five. That's almost 1,000% total. This one right here before it's still holding up. Let's say that's 1,100. This one right here. Let's say that's 1,200, almost like 1,300 right there. This one right here, almost 100. So you just missed out on a whole 1,500% gain total throughout the entire. Oh, and this one down here, another 50, 60%. Is it? So you missed out on about almost 2,000% gains. You telling me that you couldn't catch not a single one of these stocks, and every single one of these stocks, everybody caught in the Bankability Discord for safe, easy, early seats. You don't need to be trading. You just don't even need to do it. Because for some reason, you don't believe in coming in to get the safe, easy, early alerts because of, let me guess, I'm a fast talking black guy. And again, it just must be a scam. Y'all need to get your minds right. Nothing is stopping you from succeeding and becoming a full-time trader but yourself, especially when you have a full-time trader that's been doing this nonstop every single day for years, saying, join me, and getting up at 3 a.m. to show you and catch all of these with the rest of the coaches, getting up at 3 a.m. to do all of these while I'm sitting here saying, join me in class, you can do all of these But let me guess, I'm a fast talking black guy, so it must be a scam. This guy can't be in there really doing all of these. It don't make no sense. Whenever you decide you want to take your investing career seriously, I'm become a full time trader. I'm in my 24/7 live trading class, 24/7, catching all of these. Cause I as well follow along with the alerts going out from the coaches. It's not just me in here, the fast talking black guy, that everybody is, oh, this scam, he's so fast with it. It can't be true. No, you got thousands of people in here, thousands doing this all day, every single day, doing Power Ranger dagger flutes. It's crazy. But I'll see y'all in the Bank with Billy Discord and happy trading.